that time of year again. When I reflect on the year and my role here at Riverview, I'm incredibly blessed. I've been able to see the amazing challenges in people's lives, but I've also been able to see the stuff that makes a difference in people's lives, the attitudes and actions that help people know there's hope. I see families doing it tough. It breaks my heart. But the best part is I see opportunities. Opportunities for old and for young. Opportunities for families and for students. Opportunity for those with time and for those without. And so there's so many ways that you, your family and friends can get involved in Tree of Hope this year so that we can make a difference to those doing it tough in our city.